So the one tool I wish I started with. Everyone always asks me, what's the best tool you ever bought? What's the best piece of equipment? What has made you the most money in your business? What took you from being just a small side hustle to making six figures on your own in a pressure washing and soft washing business? And I have bought pumps, I've bought hoses, I've bought nozzles, surface cleaners. Some of them were great, some of them were a waste of money. But the one most important thing, the one most important tool is not something you bolt to a skid or to a trailer. It is the CRM right here, Jobber. In this video, I'm going to run through all of it for you. Here we go. Jobber is the CRM that I use to run my business cleaner and more efficient. And if you've watched my videos before in this channel, you know I am all about efficiency, especially since I do everything alone. I don't have a secretary back in the office doing this for me. I've got to run everything from my cell phone in the field while I'm washing houses, commercial properties, cleaning gutters, doing roofs, surface cleaning, all of that. And it allows you to do that all from your phone. Sure, you can use a desktop or a laptop, tablet if you want to. I choose to do it from a phone, handles it all. And many of you have this issue, or you might not even know that you have the problem, but you will eventually. What it used to look like with me is a lead would come in, whether it's a phone call, a text message, an email, a message through my website, a message through my Google My Business profile. Messages would come from all over saying, I think I need a house wash, I need my gutters cleaned, how much is it, when can you be here? And I'm trying to take the call while I'm washing. I've got the surface cleaner going, it's loud, I can't hear anything. I'm saying, yeah, you know, $350 for that. It's $400 for that. It's $800 to wash your roof. Oh, did I send that quote back to that guy? He never got back to me. Maybe it was that one over there. Before you know it, you've scheduled a job and said you'd be there and you didn't write it down or put it anywhere. So now you don't know where you're going. That's happened to all of us. It's happened to me before. What having a CRM like Jobber fixes is everything is flow. It's all in one place. The leads come in, turn them into a potential customer by getting them a quote. It's quick one-click approval on the customer's end. You can approve it, drag that thing into your schedule. It's there. There's no more route plans for you. You can see the map, see where you're going. I know that's a big issue with a lot of guys who are traveling a lot of distances. You can make sure you're going in the right direction and get all your jobs in order. You want to scale and grow your business, you have got to get organized. Your gear might clean the houses, but your system is what grows the business. The tools on the truck don't build the companies. So a lot of you have asked also about my contract. How do I get my customers, so many of my customers, on repeat? Do I have them under a contract? Do I make them sign something? Jobber handles all of that also. Yes, a contract is a legal document, but your terms of service can be sent through your CRM. Jobber can do that for you. If a new lead comes in, I'm just kind of giving you an example of how it works. A new lead will come in saying, I'd like to have my house washed. I live at 123 Main Street. I instantly look that address up, the information, and I give them a quote for their house wash. It will say what a house wash includes. This includes cleaning your siding, the trim, the soffits, the front porch. Also, here's a quote for several other items I notice you might need exterior cleaning on. Here's a quote for a roof wash. Here's a quote for a gutter clean. Here's a quote for the patio, the deck. All of those will be labeled optional. If the customer wants to select any of those, they can get their house washed, say it was $400. They can select all those other services too. They'll be optional. If they want to, Jobber adds more time onto that job saying, okay, this isn't just a 45-minute house wash. Now it's going to be 2 hours because you've got to do the house, the roof, the gutters, and the deck also. All the total gets added up. The customer can agree to that. The terms of service will be sent right along with that accepted quote. It will say something along the lines of, make sure all your windows and doors are shut. I need access to a water hookup. Make sure you remove all your plants, flowers, decorative items, things like that. Also, when that first service is completed for a new customer, not only will a follow-up get sent for them to pay their bill, the invoice gets sent, a request for a review, leave me a review on the Google page. Also, now that you are a customer of Northway Power Washing, the business that I run, it will say, have your gutters serviced again in the gutter cleaning season, which is the fall for me around here. Also the spring, I have, the spring and the fall gutter services. They will get a discounted rate on their gutter cleaning. They will also get a discounted rate if they book more than one service at a time. So if you're just going out doing a routine house wash, this price stays. If they bundle their services, you give them a little bit of a break. All that can be done through Jobber. If you're doing that manually, I'm going to tell you right now, you're going to run into a huge problem. You're going to forget what you charged one customer, and then the neighbor's going to want it, and they're going to wonder why their house the same size got charged more. Well, I gave this one a break. Track that all through the CRM, and you won't get into any issues with that. It is a contract legal document, like I said, but you can run all that through there. It'll keep it organized for you. It's just one of the many things it organizes for you. So take a chance I'm going to put the link to Jobber in the description of this video. Check it out. Go through there. If you decide to sign up, I think it's 20% off for the first 6 months. You can find it right in the description. Like I said, it'll be right at the beginning down below this video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you give Jobber a chance. Check it out. You're going to need to get organized if you want to start making money in this business. So make sure you like and subscribe. More videos coming soon. Thanks.